Today we are going to find the position to thumb rule for today. So the first thing you have to do to find the position to thumb rule is finding the thumb to thumb rule. So for example, like this pattern, we already have three patterns in here. The first thing you have to do is to count how many dots is there on each pattern. After that, this is the first pattern, there are 5 dots. On the second patterns, there are 7 dots. In the third patterns, there are 9 dots. After you're done finding the number of dots, you just need to find the difference for each pattern. From 5 into 7, the difference is 2. And then from 7 into 9, the difference is 2. That's why the thumb to thumb rule become add 2. After you're done finding the thumb to thumb rule, the second thing you have to do is, because this is the thumb to thumb rule is add 2, you need to find the multiple of 2. If later the thumb to thumb rule is add 5, so it means you have to find the multiple of 5. After you find the multiple of 2, so in here this is the first term. Because this is the first term, multiple of 2, the first term, so the number 2, I will just need to multiply it by 1. 2 times 1 is equals to 2. And then from number 2 to get 5, I need to add by 3. And then I need to check for the second pattern. If it is second pattern, so the multiple of 2, it will be 4. And then after I get 4, the difference for 4 into 7, I need to add 3. And then I go to the third pattern. If third pattern, so the number 2, I need to multiply it by 3, it will be equals to 6. After I got number 6, I need to find from 6 into 9, what do I have to add? I have to add it by 3. So from here, we can get that all the things in here, I have to add it by 3. And then because this is multiple of 2, it will be 2 times position number. Is there anyone have question to find the position to thumb rule? Or am I going too fast? Or maybe my voice is not audible enough?
Clear.
Okay. If my voice is already clear enough, I'll continue to the next page. We are going to continue to the work example. So here are the work example. Sorry. Yeah. Here there are a work example. This is also already in your textbook. If maybe my voice is not really audible. So in here we already have the sequence. For the question A, 3, 6, 9 and 12. The first thing we have to do is find out the thumb to thumb rule. So let us check from 3 into 6, the thumb to thumb rule will be add 3. From 6 into 9, we have to add 3. From 9 into 12, we have to add 3. That's why the thumb to thumb rule will be add 3. After we find the thumb to thumb rule, the second thing we have to do is find out the multiple of 3, because the thumb to thumb rule is add 3. That's why we need to find the multiple of 3. So in here, to make it easier, I need to make a table. So from multiple of 3, 3 times 1 will be equals to 3, 3 times 2, 6 and 12. And then when I check from the multiple of 3 into the term, there is no difference. That's why for the position to thumb rule, it will be directly 3 times position number. Is there anyone having question, or maybe I'm going too fast for the example A? Is there anyone having question for the example A? Hello? No. If no one having question, I'll continue to the example B. Same again, the first thing we have to do is finding the thumb to thumb rule. From 5 into 9, we add 4. From 9 into 3, we add 4. From 13 into 17, we add 4. That's why the thumb to thumb rule become add 4. After we find the thumb to thumb rule, the second thing we have to do is finding the multiple of 4. So in here, multiple of 4, I already write it in a table to make it easier. Multiple of 4, it will be 4, 8, 12 and 16. After you got the multiple of 4, you need to find the difference into the term given. So from 4 into 5, how many is the difference? the difference is 1, right? And then from 8 into 9, the difference is also 1. From 12 into 13, the difference is also 1. From 16 into 17, the difference is 1. That's why there will be plus 1 in here. And then because before we tried using multiple of 4, it will be 4 times position number. Is there anyone having difficulties or getting confused? Is there anyone? No? If no one get confused, let us continue to the exercise 2.2. You want me to directly discuss it or you want to try some time to do it first? Either one is fine for me.
Up to you, teacher.
How about you? Which one that you want to choose? Do you want me to directly discuss it or you want to try it first? Because some of students likes to try it first, so later during the discussion they can confirm the all the queries or something.
I think directly discuss
If directly discuss is okay. What about the others? Is it okay if I directly discuss it? What about the other students? Is it okay if I directly discuss it? Hello? Or my voice is not audible? Okay, it's another three students said it's okay to directly discuss it. So I will directly discuss it if you are agree. If all of you agreed to for me to directly discuss it, I will directly discuss it. So now we have we need to find the position to thumb rule in here. So we already have the a sequence 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. What the first thing we have to do? We have to find the term to thumb rule. So let us check from 6 into 7, the difference is 1. From 7 into 8, the difference is 1. Yes?
Who is Liz?
Sorry. Wait, I did not check the attendance.
After Lin
Oh,
said there
yeah,
is
yeah.
someone named LYS.
Yeah, it is from grade 9 student. I will have class with him later on. Maybe he joined the class too early. Okay, thank you for telling me. Okay, is it okay if I continue to question 1A? Now from 6 into 7, the difference is 1. So the first thing we have to do is finding the term to term rule. The term to term rule is add 1. After we have the add 1, so it means we need to find the multiple of 1 first. Multiple of 1 will be 1, 2. What number it will be after 2? Hello? 3, okay. And then after 3, it will be equals to 4. If my annotation visible for you or the color is too light,
Yeah, I think it's a bit too light.
okay, then I will choose the dark one then. Okay. So now when we already have the multiple of 1, the second thing we have to do is find out the difference between the multiple into the term. So from 1 into 5, what is the difference?
1.
Oh, sorry, from 1
1
into
to
6. Sorry, 1 to 6, what is the difference?
5.
Okay, the difference is 5. And then 2 to 7, what is the difference? 5 also, yeah. From 3 to 8, the difference is also 5. From 4 into 9, the difference is 5. All of the multiples and the term, the difference are 5. So it will be 1 times position number plus how many? Plus 5. Is there anyone get confused or am I going too fast? Yeah, because 1 times position number, 1 times and anything multiplied by 1, it will be still equals to itself. That's why if it is 1 times, we can directly just write it as position number plus 5. Is there anyone get confused? Or maybe I'm going too fast? Is there anyone get confused? For the question 1A?
Yes, I still confused.
Okay, so the first thing you have to do, if you are going to find the position to thumb rule, the first thing you have to do is finding the thumb to thumb rule. What is the thumb to thumb rule? Thumb to thumb rule is the difference between each sequences. So from 6 into 7, the difference is 1. From 7 into 8, the difference is 1. From 8 into 9, the difference is also 1. Because everything, the difference is 1, so it means the thumb to thumb rule is at 1. Or is there anyone get confused to find the thumb to thumb rule? Is there anyone get confused to find the thumb to thumb rule? After you find, if no one get confused about the thumb to thumb rule, the second thing you have to do is find out the multiple of the thumb to thumb rule. Because the thumb to thumb rule is at 1, so it means you need to find the multiple of 1. If later in another sequence you have the thumb to thumb rule as multiple of 5, the thumb to thumb rule is at 5, so it means you need to find the multiple of 5 and so on. But because the question is only at 1, so it means you need to find multiple of 1. After you find the multiple of 1, for the first term, so I need to do 1 times 1 is equals to 1. 1 times 2 equal to 3. And then 1 times 3 will be equals to 3. 1 times 4 will be equals to 4. After we are done finding the multiple of the thumb to thumb rule, you need to find the difference between the multiple of the thumb to thumb rule and also its term. From 1 into 6, the difference is 5. From 2 to 7, the difference is 5. From 3 to 8, the difference is 5. From 4 into 9, the difference is 5. And all the difference are constant which is equals to 5, so we can directly write it as 1 times position number plus 5. The 5 we got it from the difference between the multiple and the term, and then the number 1 in here we got it from the thumb to thumb rule, because the thumb to thumb rule is at 1, that's why the term become 1 times position number. Is there anyone having question, or am I going too fast still, or is there anything that I need to repeat? Hello.
No, teacher.
Okay, really? Is there anyone having difficulties to ask me before? No? Okay. If no one got confused, then I will continue to question B. So now we have the number in here 1, 4, 7, and 10, and so on. Again, the first thing we have to do is finding the difference or the thumb to thumb rule first. From 1 into 4, the difference is 3. 4 into 7, the difference is 3. 7 into 10, the difference is 3. All of them, the difference are 3. So the thumb to thumb rule become at 3. Is there anyone get confused to find the thumb to thumb rule? Is there anyone? No, if you are not getting confused, so it means because this is at 3, so we already have 3 times position number. So now the other thing that we have to do is finding the multiple of 3. So 3, 6, after 6 will be what number? 9, okay. After 9 will be what number? 12, okay. After we find this number, the third thing we have to do is finding the difference between the term and the multiple. So to make it easier, just subtract the term and also the multiple. 1 minus 3 is equals to how many?
-2.
So this is will be -2 for the difference, and then for 4 and 6 the difference will be how many?
-2 also.
Okay, 2, 7 and also -9. How many the difference?
-2.
Okay, and then from 10 into 12, how many is the difference?
-2.
Okay, so all the difference are constant, right? Or is there anyone get confused to find the difference? To find the difference, it just directly subtract the terms with the multiple. So 1 minus 3 is equals to -2. Everything already constant, negative 2.
Someone
Sorry.
is confused how to get the position number.
Okay, to get the position number, after you find the term to term rule is at 3, so it means directly. If it is at 3, it will be 3 times position number. If later the term to term rule is 5, so directly the term will be 5 times position number. If the term to term rule maybe later is at 7, so the term to term rule, the first thing is will be 7 times position number. And then the additional, it will be the difference between the term and also the multiple. Or is there anything still getting confused? Or how? Hello? Oh, you confused how to get 3 times position number. It's automatically, if the term to term rule is at 3, so it will be 3 times position number. If the term to term rule is at 7, so directly 7 times position number. If the term to term rule is at 9, so the position number will be 9 times position number. So it will be connect to each other between the term to term rule and also the position number. This is at 3. That's why in here become the term will be start by 3 times position number because they are connect to each other. Is there anyone have difficulties? You can type it through the chat. I'm reading the chat. If anyone still getting confused. Yeah, because this is the connection. So the steps to find the position to term rule. The first step is finding the term to term rule. After you find the term to term rule, whatever the term to term rule, it will be affecting the position to term rule. Why? Because when the term to term rule is at 5, so later for the position to term rule, you will have 5 times position number. And then later if maybe the term to term rule is at 9, so later for the position to term rule, it will be started by 9 times position number and so on. So the term to term rule and also position to term rule will connect to each other. That's why the first thing you have to do is finding the term to term rule first. Is there anyone have difficulties on finding the term to term rule? You still get confused. The term to term rule is finding the difference only. Okay, I will try to erase everything then. Maybe you can mute your mic first. I will try to repeat again. Okay, so now the first thing you have to do is look at the sequence. After you look at the sequence, check from 1 into 4. How many is the difference? From 1 into 4, the difference is 3. After that, after I check the difference between 1 and 4, this is the difference is 3. And then I need to check also from 4 into 7, the difference is also 3. And then from 7 into 10, the difference is 3. Because everything the difference is 3, so it means the term to term rule is at 3. Because the term to term rule is at 3, so for the position to term rule, it will be directly 3 times position number. It will be directly like that. If later you have the term to term rule at 5, so directly for the position to term rule, you will write 5 times position number. After you got it will be the at 3, so the second thing it will be multiple of 3. We need to find the multiple of 3. If it is minus, so later it will be finding the, if maybe later the difference is minus 2, so it means negative 2 times position number. It will be like that. Is it helping for those who ask me? So because it is at 3, so it will be 3 times position number. If it is subtract 5, so it will be negative 5 times position number. Like that. So after that, after you know that it is 3 times position number, it means you need to find the multiple of 3. So 3, 6, after 6 it will be 9. After 9 it will be equals to 12. Is there anyone get confused to find the multiple of 3? After you're done finding the multiple
Nicolas
of
keep
3,
on spamming teacher.
sorry?
Nicolas keep on spamming.
Yeah, I can see through the chat someone saying something. Yeah. Maybe you can ignore the chat first because I will not reply anything through the chat, but you can type everything to the chat to tell me whatever your queries. Because if you have queries and I read it, I will directly explain it. I will not type it through the chat because I think my voice is audible enough for you. So I will directly answer your question through the chat by explaining it to you. So after you find the multiple of 3, you need to find the difference between the term and also the multiple. The term is 1, multiple of 3 will be 3. So we just need to subtract 1 and 3. When we subtract, it will be negative 2. And then I need to check 4 minus 6, it will be negative 2. 7 and 9, it will be negative 2. 10 and 12 it will be equals to negative 2. Everything the difference already constant because the question already write the negative sign for you. So in here you just need to write number 2. Is there anyone having question or anything is still confusing before I move to the question 2? Hello? Or my voice is not audible enough for you? Clear? Really? Is there anyone having question? No? Okay. If no one having question, I will continue to question 2. Okay. Yeah. For the question 2, what do we have in here? We have write each sequence of numbers. The first thing we have to find the term to term rule. Anyone want to help me to find the term to term rule for the question 2A? What is the term to term rule? Hello? Yeah, the term to term rule is add 2. Is there anyone get confused about finding the add 2? Is there anyone get confused to get the add 2? Okay. After you know it is the term to term rule is add 2, so you need to find the multiple of 2, right? Let us find the multiple of 2. What number it will be the multiple of 2? The first multiple of 2, what number it will be? Anyone want to help me? Multiple of 2, it will not be equals to 0. The first multiple of 2, how many it will be? Yeah, okay. After 2, how many it will be? Yeah, so the first number I can write is 2. After that is another multiple of 2, 4. And then after that it will be 6. After that it will be 8. Is there anyone get confused? Yeah, when we already find the multiple of 2, the second thing we have to do is finding the difference. Is there any difference in here from the multiple and also the term? Is there any difference? Is there any difference between the multiple and also the terms? Huh? Hello, is my voice not audible enough?
No, I mean what do you mean by
Okay, so my question is the terms in here is the sequence. So after you find the term to term rule, the term to term rule is add 2. So the next step is finding the multiple of 2. After you find the multiple of 2, you need to compare between the multiples and also the term. So between the terms and also the multiple, is there any difference between 2 and 2? How many is the difference? 2 and 2, how many is the difference? The difference is 0. 4 and 4, the difference is 0. Or my voice is not audible enough. Hello?
so you
Uh,
not different like the other.
sorry? Yes?
It's not difference like that.
Yeah, no difference. Because there is no difference, so later for the position to thumb rule, it will be directly only 2 times position number. There is no addition behind the after position number. We do not add any number because there is no difference. Is there anyone having difficulties or get confused with my explanation?
No.
No. If no one get confused, let us continue to question B. What is the thumb to thumb rule in the question B? Anyone want to help me to find the thumb to thumb rule? Okay, you can type it in the chat or you can unmute yourself. Okay, someone already told me it at 5. After you know it is at 5, now the second thing you have to do is finding the multiple of how many?
5.
Yeah, we need to find the multiple of 5. Sorry, suddenly my lines are not working. Wait. After you find the multiple of 5, so what number are there? The multiple of 5? 5,
10, 15, 20.
10. After that it will be 15. After that 20. Is there anyone get confused? To find the, yeah, so after you find the multiple of 5, the other thing you have to do is finding the difference. Is there any difference between the term and also the multiple?
Zero
No, the difference
difference.
is 0. Everything are 0. Because everything are 0, so it means there is no addition for the position to term rule. So what it will be for the position to term rule? Anyone want to help me to find the position to term rule? What is the position to term rule? Anyone want to help me? What is the position to term rule? This is
5
5.
times position
Uh-huh.
number.
Okay, 5 times position number. Is there anyone get confused? Or maybe am I too fast? Is there anyone get confused still? Is
5
there
or
anyone?
3?
5. It is 5. It's not 3 because you need to check the term to term rule. Because the term to term rule is at 5. So for position to term rule, it will be 5 times position number. For the question A, it's at 2. So the position to term rule will be 2 times position number and so on. Is there anyone have difficulties? I'm still at question B. I haven't moved to question C. Is there anyone have difficulties? Is there anyone? No?
But how do you do it?
How do I, which part that I do, which,
Difference of number in a table. How do you do that?
I subtract it. So I subtract 5 minus 5 is equals to 0, 10 minus 10 is equals to 0, and so on. I just subtract between, yeah, we just do it like that. So we just directly subtract the term and also the multiple. Just directly subtract it, done. Maybe it will be visible, yeah, it will be visible if we discuss the question C.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, let us go to question C because there is no difference in question A and B. So maybe you will get difficulties. Let us move to question C. Anyone want to help me to find the term to term rule in question C?
And the term rule is plus 3.
Okay. Anyone get confused? Is there anyone get confused? Okay. After you know it is at 3, so we need to find the multiple of how many? We need to find multiple of what number? Multiple of how
Of
many?
3 plus 2.
Okay, we just need to find the multiple of 3. I'm not going to the position to term rule first, later. Let us do it one by one because some of your friends are still confused, okay? That's correct for the position to term rule. So when we already, what are the multiple of 3? Anyone want to help me to make a list of multiple of 3? 3, after that?
Is
6, okay, after that?
9
9
and
and 12. Okay, anyone get confused so far?
The difference is 2 for all.
Okay, so for finding the difference, we just subtract the term and also the multiple. 5 minus 3, it will be equals to 2. 8 minus 6, is equals to 2. 11 minus 9, 2. 14 minus 12 is also 2. So all the difference already constant, right? All the difference already constant. So let us write the position to term rule. Position to term rule. For position to term rule, it will be what? Anyone want to help me? How many? Because it is multiple of 3, so we start by 3. 3 times position number, and then we add it by how many? We add by the difference. How many is the difference?
2.
2. Is there anyone get confused to find the position to term rule? Or maybe I'm going too fast and is there anything that I need to repeat? I will repeat it again. If you are still getting confused. Is there anyone get confused still? Huh? No one get confused? Okay, really? For sure no one get confused?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, for sure no
No
one get
one.
confused. It's okay to ask me if you are still getting difficulties. If no one get confused, then I'll continue to
The term
question.
yeah,
Okay. Yes?
the term
Sorry, your voice is not really audible for me. Can you repeat again? Yes?
for the C, the term to term rule is hello
Hello? Yes, the term to term rule is how many? For question D?
is plus 3 for question 3.
Oh, sorry, your voice is not audible. Maybe you can type it for me. Your voice is not audible for me. Sorry. The position to term rule and something I could not hear you. Sorry.
Your voice is lacking, Phil.
Yeah, it's not really audible for me, your voice. That's why maybe you can type it for me because I do not, if I could not hear, I do not understand. Okay, for the C, the term to term rule is, yeah, the term to term rule is at 3, correct? The term to term rule is at 3, correct? That's why I write it in here. The term to term rule is at 3, I already mentioned it. This is the term to term rule at 3. I read the term to term rule first, but I wrote it a bit at the down part because at the upper one I want to make a table. Correct, for the term to term rule is at 3 because the term to term rule is at 3. That's why later for the position to term rule it will be 3 times position number. Yes, there will be multiplied by 3 because that's how we work for the position to term rule. When we already have the term to term rule, to find the position to term rule, we need to find the multiple of 3. That's the rule. So, for example, later when I already find the multiple for question B, the question B is at 5. So, it means I need to find the multiple of 5, which are 5, 10, 15, 20. After I find the multiple of 5, I just need to find the difference because the difference is 0. So, for the position to term rule, it will be staying as 5 times position number without any addition. But for question C, after I know that it is at 3, so it will be 3 times position number. And when I check, there is a difference. The difference is 2. That's why it will be 3 times position number plus 2. Is there anyone still getting confused or maybe my explanation is too fast or anything? Is there anyone get confused still?
No, teacher.
Okay, I think it's already time's up. It will not be enough to discuss the question DEF. We will discuss it again tomorrow. So at home, you can try to do it first. So tomorrow we can directly discuss it faster. I think that's all for today's class. Good morning and thank you, students.
Thank you, teacher.
Do not forget about the homework, yeah. Later I will remind you to the Google Classroom. You're welcome. Thank you, Teacher Indra.